Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a crab of craft paper. First, gather your materials. You will need red or orange craft paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and some craft glue. Don't forget a pencil for marking and a few googly eyes to bring your crab to life. A ruler can also be very helpful for making sure your cuts are nice and straight, ensuring a neat final product. Next, let's create the main body of our crab. Cut 2 large circles from your craft paper, each measuring about 4 inches across. Take one circle, fold it neatly in half, and then glue this folded piece onto the center of the other flat circle. This forms the crab's main shell. Now, cut 2 long, thin strips, approximately 5 inches in length, for the claws. Shape one end of each strip into a pincer to give your crab a lively appearance. Now it's time to give our crab some legs. Cut 8 thin strips of craft paper, each about 3 inches long. Carefully glue 4 of these strips onto each side of the crab's main body, spacing them out evenly. Then, attach the 2 claw strips you prepared earlier to the front of the crab's body. Finally, secure your googly eyes onto the top, folded section of the crab's body, bringing your little creature to life with a friendly gaze. To complete your craft paper crab, allow all the glued sections to dry thoroughly. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring everything stays firmly in place. Once dry, you can use a marker to add any extra small details, like a tiny mouth or some texture on the shell, if you wish. Your adorable craft paper crab is now finished and ready to be displayed or used for imaginative play. Why not try making a whole family of crabs in various sizes and colors?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.